Guys, today our 1 million daily combo. As usual, when you come to input type, you type 3 times. The today word is C, is coin. So the first letter is C. So C is dash dot dash dot. You have your C. Then the second word, which is O, is dash dash dash. You have your O. And the third word now, which is I, is dot dot. You have your I now. Then the last word is N, and N is dash dot. So you have it. You take your price. It's very simple, guys. Please, if today is your first time of watching my video, do wait to subscribe. Thank you.